What's up, y'all? I'm Logan from Logan Mills Fishing. We're out here on Lake Murray catching some bass. In this video, I'm going to show you what we've caught. We haven't caught many, but it's still been a fun day. That's number one, baby. Little guy.
It's number 4 on the day. 3. Thank you, Jesus. All right, buddy. Go home. He gone. That's number 4 on the day. It's another little guy, but one more to go. We get 5 on the day. That's our goal. Thank you, Jesus.
Woo! That's a... Ah! He broke my line. Oh. Come on. I'm sorry, fish. I can't. He's oh no. Was that number 5? Bigger fish, 2.5 pounds. Thank you, Jesus. Oh,
You
man.
swim off?
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh, he jabbed it. Today was a decent day. It was tough. We had to work for our fish. We started out, got one fish where we started out, and then it kind of slowed down for about 2.5, maybe 2 hours till we got our next fish. And you can't get discouraged during that time, because after that, you know, period of time where we didn't catch any fish, we came back and we were able to catch 4 more fish, and we ended the day with 5 bass. One was about 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. They're good fish, but we had to work for them today. It's a beautiful, clear day. It's post-front conditions. They're always tough when it's post-front, but you gotta push through and always have a good attitude. Always remember, stay hooked.